Alright, running Grail Punt number 110, which is a sharded variant lot. Here we've got Saturday the 18th of April at 6:45. Current time in WA is Saturday the 18th of April at 6:45. Got our list, which is Donald White at number 1 down to Chad Smith at number 45, which is here in the list. Number 1, Donald White. Number 45, Chad Smith. And we're going to do our 3 dice roll now. Oh, big one. So we've got 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 5 is 17. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whoops, that was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, let's check that again. 6 and 6 is 12, plus 5 is 17. So last roll, good luck everyone. Here we go. So the list has been done 17 times. And our winner is Stephen Reynolds. Congrats, mate. PM me when you've seen this. Right in here. So current time in WA is 6:47 on the 18th of April, 6:47 on the 18th of April. Thanks, guys.